YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Guess what just arrived? Inside this box is the Coach bag that I ordered, and it's one of the ones I had you all guess to see if you could figure out which Coach bag I would pick out of their current offerings. And I will tell you that one of you got it right, but the rest of you did not get it right. And I'm hoping it's okay. I mean, the box is in decent shape. It got lost between Mobile, Alabama and Kansas City, and then it just showed up here. It didn't even get scanned anywhere in between Mobile and where I live, which is highly unusual. It's like it just disappeared and then poof, there it was. This is a true unboxing. I don't do very many of these. I usually am too impatient and I haven't put any makeup on, but today I am on it. I don't really feel the best, but I'm here and I'm made up a little bit anyway. And so I figured I would actually unbox it with you, and fingers crossed it's okay, because Macy's is not known for their incredible packaging. I'm hoping I got one that is factory wrapped by Coach, because that would protect it really well. I used to be quite the Coach collector, and I have since sold most of my Coach bags. I have 2 Coach camera bags and I have a handful of straps, and I like to use the straps on other brands as well as on the camera bags that I have, the black one in particular. So the box was not damaged at all, and this is factory wrapped. So that is exciting. Now, I recently watched a video by the Gal's Guide, and I will link her down below. And she actually opened up a similar handbag to this one, and it had pop stitches. And gosh, I hope I don't get one that has pop stitches. Mine is different from hers, but not by a lot. Now that I'm thinking about it, I can't remember if in her video she had a factory wrap bag or not, but she did a really good video, so I'll link it down below. This bag is brand new. It hasn't went on sale yet, but I scored it over Labor Day weekend from Macy's, and because I purchased it, I think on Labor Day itself, it might have been the day after, because you know how all those sales kind of continue on for just a little bit, but I got about 10,000 points, and that was a $100 gift card. And so I also got cash back from one of the cashback sites. I don't remember what, but all in all, I ended up saving about $140 off of the retail price on this, which I think the retail price is $4.95. So I figured that's not too bad for a hot off the presses bag. My lands, this bag is hard to unwrap. So as you can see, I got the Times Square Tabby, and this is in the medium size. And I really only have 2 bags that are in this color family, so it is adding something kind of unique. I have some fun strap action we're going to do, although this bag comes with amazing straps. Let me grab my glasses so I can look it over as I unwrap it. I will tell you that at first glance, it looks really good. I'm not seeing any of the pop stitches around here that Alyssa with the Gal's Guide had. And I thought that this was stitched, and I guess it is stitched along here, but a lot of this is just an embossing or a debossing, whatever you might call it. So I think that is super cool. Let's go ahead and get more of the wrapping off. I do try to keep the wrapping all together and nice and pretty if I don't think I'll keep it, but I'm really digging this bag, so I plan on keeping it. By the way, I didn't show you my bag of the day. My bag of the day is my Busey by Louis Vuitton, and it just goes with this light camo so well. I had to move into it. I love this style. I haven't used it for quite some time, but I really love it, and I'm glad that I picked an outfit out that goes so well with it. Back to Coach. I'm going to go ahead and finish unwrapping the straps and all that, because we can't appreciate it with all of this wrapping on it, right? 15,000 minutes later, I have the bag unwrapped completely, and I have both straps on it, and I have another strap by Coach that I'm going to try with it while I'm here with you. I'm also going to put my items from my Busey bag inside this bag, even though this isn't going to be my bag of the day, because I want to show you how the items that I am carrying will fit inside of this bag. Let me look this over real close just to make sure everything is a-okay. Looking straight on, I think that the Coach C is really straight. I got one that has these diamond quilts lined up like to absolute perfection, and I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I love that. I don't see any, I mean, there shouldn't be any wear and tear, but you just never know. A lot of times, or sometimes, bags can come with nicks and dents and dings, and you know, it sucks. But such is life in this crazy handbag world we live in. The strap is a beautiful woven leather strap for the shoulder strap. And I do think that you could wear the bag crossbody and have this strap dangling, because I think it's quite lovely. And then if you needed to or you wanted to, you could just whip the bag on your shoulder and let the crossbody strap dangle. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it at this point. Look how squishy gushy this bag is. It is a very mushy bag with not very much structure. It does have a big wide open front pocket. This kind of reminds me of the collage bag, how the pocket's so big on the front. I found even more stuffing. They really do not want this bag to get moist. Here is the card that came inside of the little pocket. So we've got a zippered pocket. We have this back pocket, which isn't as big as the front, at least when you look at it from the top in terms of access, but from the side, it looks like it should be. But remember, that pocket inside is going to take up some of the space, but this pocket is wide open. I have a older phone case, but it's about the same size as my 15 Pro, I think is what I have. And that does slide down in that back pocket. I'm just going to leave that there and then go ahead and fill the front of the bag. When all of this filling is done, then I'm going to go ahead and try it on, because I think it will be more useful to see how it looks when the bag has stuff in it on versus being empty. Because who carries around a bag with nothing in it? I don't have the prettiest of inner accessories. I do use makeup pouches so that I can keep the insides of my bags nice. And I've been looking at some of the designer pouches, but the problem is I just can't find one that's small enough. And then sometimes, like Louis Vuitton has pencil cases, they have vachetta all over the bottom. And also the inside lining is often leather, and I think, why would I buy something that expensive and then put nail files in it? My pouch fits very well inside there. I have this other pouch which is empty aside from a compact. And with compacts, with the powder that's in them, I always worry that that's going to kind of break up and then end up all over my bag. I have these two Louis Vuitton clays that are both full of cards. One of them is mostly gift cards. The other one is a little bit of everything. And those do slide nicely in that back pocket. I'm carrying my Saint Laurent card holder right now, and it holds 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and then I put my license up in the middle. That slides in the front really nicely, and I've got most of my stuff inside already. I forgot I've got these 2 items, a Tide to Go stick and a tampon, and I'm actually going to take everything out of the front and put those on bottom, as well as my key fob, because I just don't need to get to those items. So sticking them on the bottom and kind of pushing everything else up a little higher works really well for me. I have some cash that I'm going to stick in to the zippered pocket. And I know cash is dirty and all that, but if I just use that pocket for that reason or that purpose, then it's okay. So there I am so far. I've got just a few more things to put inside. And remember, I have that phone case on the outside. I folded up my glasses cleaning cloth, and then I have this little nosebleed pack, which I kind of cut open and folded into a smaller form. So that glasses cleaning cloth and the nosebleed pack are right there. Then I've got the cash in there, and I just have like 2 things left to go. I have a pouch that I keep medicine in, and then I've got my AirPods case. I'm going to slide my AirPods case in with my compact because I think that it is going to just fit really nicely on the top. So there you go. So there she is, all loaded up. Now keep in mind there will be more space if I remove my phone from that back pocket, and I don't generally keep my phone in my purse. I've seen this bag compared to the Cassie 19, and I think it's probably pretty similar in size to that bag. And I am loving it. I love, love, love this. So remember, I've got the phone case in the outside pocket. And if I pull that out, then I feel like the whole bag is just a little bit more squishy because it's pretty darn full with the phone case in, but it does fit. I still have my soft pebble camera bag by Coach in the black, and it came with this strap. And I think if you wanted to wear this bag in a little bit more casual way, pairing it with a guitar strap like this is an amazing option. Also bringing black into the equation with the trim lets you pair it with black shoes and just have that go chef's kiss perfect. I think that that is an amazing combo, and I will try that on right after I try it on with the straps it comes with. If you look at this bag, it has a keeper right here, which it's not like a super tight one, but it does the job. You don't need much to keep this tail down. And then this other one, which is definitely more important, it fits really snug, and I love that. I hate it when I get a new bag and the keeper just falls right off. Putting the bag on the shoulder, I am going to tell you that this hurts right here. So I'm going to flip it around so where the keeper's in front and see if that helps. That is much better. It's crazy how just a little tweak where I put the buckle in the front makes all the difference. But look how that fits. I'm squatting down. I know this looks weird probably, but look how comfortably that fits under my arm. It's narrow enough and it's just super nice. And I do like that this leather brake is there rather than having the whole thing be chain, especially if you plan on wearing it on your shoulder. I think I'll probably wear it crossbody. So I also would have loved if they had done this whole gorgeous chain all the way around, but it's nice that it gives the shoulder bag loving crew a more comfortable option. So here is the bag crossbody with the strap that it comes with. It is very comfortable this way. The strap is a bit narrow. I wish it was just a little bit thicker, but then that might affect how beautiful the bag looks. Like having a thicker strap makes it more casual, and this bag is just ever so slightly dressy in my opinion. I have a feeling that I am going to be wearing it though, just like this. This is so super comfortable with this beautiful jacquard strap. Let me grab the bag that this strap came with in case you're looking at this combo so you know which two bags you'd have to pick up. So this is the bag that goes with this gorgeous jacquard strap that I think goes with the Times Square Tabby to perfection. And again, if you wanted to just throw this bag on your shoulder and let the guitar strap dangle, you can totally do that, which is a good option if you're just hopping out of the car for a second and you don't want to mess with the process of putting the bag over your body. I may have to change my outfit so that I match this bag because it's great. I picked this bag up because the quilting on it is so different. It really reminds me of the Fendi baguette with the, I think it's debossed FFs on it, except for it's so much more subtle with this diamond pattern on it. I do think that the stitching that runs down through the middle of the diamonds is going to keep this bag looking new longer than perhaps this Fendi does with the debossing that it has. If you like the Fendi baguette and the feel of it in this leather, I think you would love the Coach bag. I'm feeling them right now with my thumbs and they feel similar. The Coach bag's a little bit softer though, and I don't know that that means much. I do know that the Coach bag is made out of Napa leather, but who knows what exactly that means, because Napa leather could be goat leather, lamb leather, or calf leather, if I remember correctly. And I don't remember what this one is made out of, but out of the two, this one is softer. I love this bag. I am so happy it arrived to me in excellent condition. I never know whenever things go through the Postal Service, UPS, or FedEx. I'm taking the tag off. I'm going to just toss that away. That is my first impressions of the gorgeous Times Square Tabby. I'm so happy. And You'll have to let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.